Hey guys, so we just started this machine for the first time and we were struggling to make it go forward and reverse, but it was not moving. Every time we tried to put it into gear, it would just stall. And the salesperson had actually mentioned these things right here. What does it do? It's a neutral, or it's the brake, or neutral. I don't know exactly what terms they use. Here you can see it, and if you don't pull it out and release it, it's not gonna go forward nor in reverse. So here, and there are two of them, so it's for the transmission. Okay, and here's the other one on the left hand side. Okay, can you see it right here? So it pushes in and it rests in here, and then you want to just pull it out and release it. So that's all you have to do for your lawnmower zero turn to start. Okay, so very easy. Do you want to say anything? Where's your dad? Okay, he's gone, guys. So that's all you need. It's right here in the back. See the little metal, and there are two of them, one on the left, one on the right, to control the wheels. Okay, so just pull those out and then you'll be in business. You're drinking your dad's water. Okay guys, how easy is that?